Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make chana dal and coconut milk kheer or kadalaparuppu tengapal payasam as we say in Tamil. This recipe is also from Kerala. It's a very tasty recipe. Friends, if you like our videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So to make this recipe, we have taken 1 heaping cup or 200 grams chana dal or split Bengal gram or kadalaparuppu. Then we have taken 400 grams or 2.5 cups jaggery or good. This is 2 tablespoons tapioca or sabudana or jawarsi. Thick coconut milk 1.5 cups. 3 cups thin coconut milk. Ghee or clarified butter 4 tablespoons. Dry ginger powder or soont half teaspoon, cardamom powder or elaichi powder 1 teaspoon. We have taken a little salt for taste and sliced coconut 1/4 cup. So as we always say, 1 cup is 250 milliliter in our recipes, and we have also taken 2 tablespoons or around 12 cashew nuts or kaju. We have soaked the 2 tablespoons sabudana in some water, just enough to immerse it, and after 4 hours or so we have drained it of all the water remaining, and now we have readied the sabudana this way. Then we have washed, drained and dried the chana dal or split Bengal gram on a clean kitchen towel and allowed it to dry for around 30 minutes. We have heated a pressure pan now and added 2 tablespoons ghee in it. Now we are going to add the washed and dried chana dal to this ghee. On a very low flame, we are stirring the chana dal in the ghee. We are going to fry the chana dal in the ghee for about 10 minutes on a slow flame. This gives an awesome aroma to the payasam, and after 10 minutes of stirring now, we are going to add some hot water to it. We are adding 3 cups hot water to this 1 cup chana dal. Now let us close the pressure pan, keep the flame medium, put the lid on and put the weight on and allow it to cook. And in the meanwhile, we have added 1.25 cups of water to our 2.5 cups jaggery, and we have switched on the flame and we have allowed the jaggery to melt. And now we have taken the washed, soaked and drained sabudana in a pan, and we are adding some water to it. Water just enough to immerse the sabudana or tapioca. And now we have switched on the flame. Cook it on medium flame, cover and cook it. So while the sabudana is being cooked, let us check on the jaggery syrup. Now finally the jaggery melts. So at this stage, we have switched off the flame. And now let us check on the sabudana. Our sabudana also is done. It has been cooked soft. So let us keep this aside, and in the meanwhile heat some ghee. Add the sliced coconuts to the hot ghee and we'll be frying them until they turn golden in color. Don't allow it to brown too much, and when they are slightly golden, we have added the cashew nuts now. And we are frying this until the cashew nuts turn golden brown in color. Now cashew nuts have turned golden, we have switched it off, and now we are checking on the chana dal. The chana dal has been cooked. It is not mushy, but you can mash it well with the hands. So from this chana dal, we are removing 1/4 portion of the chana dal and keeping aside. And we are going to mash the 3/4 of the chana dal. So this 1/4 chana dal tastes very good when you get it while eating the payasam or kheer. So now let us mash it. You can mash this with a hand blender or in a mixer also. So now we are adding the jawarsi or sabudana or tapioca to the jaggery syrup, and we are adding the mashed chana dal also to this, and also we are adding the chana dal which we have not mashed. So we have added all the entire chana dal, the sabudana, everything to the jaggery syrup. And now we are going to bring this to a boil. After it comes to one boil, we will be adding the thin coconut milk. So now it has come to a boil. Now we have added 1 cup of the 2 cups thin coconut milk. We have taken 2 cups thin coconut milk. Out of that, now we have added 1 cup thin coconut milk. Now when this comes to a boil, it has come to a boil now. So now we are adding the remaining thin coconut milk, the second cup of thin coconut milk. But our vessel is a little too small for this. We are changing it to a bigger vessel now. And now we are continuing to add the thin coconut milk. So finally we have added 2 cups thin coconut milk in 2 installments. Now we have brought this also to a good boil, and now we are adding the thick coconut milk. And now we will bring this to a boil. This kheer thickens fast enough afterwards. Now we are adding that salt. Add a little salt to all your sweets. It enhances the taste of sweets. Now in goes the ginger powder and the cardamom powder now. So now at this stage we have switched off the we are going to switch off the flame. Yeah, but first we have to add the roasted cashew nuts and coconut. We have added it, we have mixed it, and we have switched off the flame. It looks liquid now, but the kheer will thicken afterwards. We have allowed it to cool slightly, and now we are serving the kheer. As it cools, it thickens even more. So you have to set the consistency accordingly. So this kheer is unique and awesome. Do give it a try and give us your feedback. So happy Vishu all of you, and happy Tamil New Year. Bye for now. Take care.